Hey, what's up guys? This is BTC channel. At ngayon guys, yan tingnan nyo guys nakabili ulit tayo ng dalawang Hot Wheels guys. Ayan. So, kakabili ko lang kahapon guys. Hindi ko na vlog sa SM Mega Mall. So, ayan. These two Hot Wheels Compact Kings. Yan, guys, nakita nyo dalawang Compact Kings ang nabili kong Hot Wheels. So, unang-una sa lahat, bago ko pakita sa inyo yung nabili kong Hot Wheels, huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa aking video guys. 191 subscribers na tayo. 191, 191, 191. Please like, subscribe, 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 subscribe. And don't forget the notification. More thumbs up. The bell or else the bell button. And send me a money. Yan guys, nakita nyo ang nabili kong Hot Wheels. Yan guys, papakita sa inyo yung 4 out of 10, 5 out of 10 Compact Kings car. So, tayo. Okay, so first car is this Compact Kings. Ayan, Hot Wheels. Ayan, kulay black siya. Yan, 1985 Honda City Turbo 2. Ayan ang nabili natin guys, oh. Ganda guys, oh. Talagang eto guys, naghanta ako kahapon guys. Nakahabol pa ako nung nakabili nito. So ito kasi yung hinahan ko lagi guys, at hindi ko mahanap guys sa ibang SM SM or Robinson. Yung guys, ang gusto kong mabili guys, or sa Toys R Us at sa Toy Kingdom at sa Toy Town or iba-ibang toy store pag naghahunt ng Hot Wheels, hindi ko mabili guys yung yung The Simpsons car, yung sasakyan ng The Simpsons. Yun ang gusto kong mabili guys. So hunt pa ako soon, or sa Green Hills baka meron nun, bibili natin. Abangan nyo guys. Guys, ito yun guys, 1985 Honda City Turbo 2, ages 3 plus, Compact Kings, 4 out of 10. Yan yung picture ng car. Ayan, napakaganda. Logo of Hot Wheels. At the back of the package, ayan guys, made from Mattel, empowering generations through play. Ayan, Honda official licensed product. Ayan, faucet if you read. Napakaganda na ito guys, oh. Next, our last car. So last car, yung last car natin guys, ito yung Mazda RX-3. Ayan, napakaganda, oh. Yan, on the top, bottom, and the bottom natin yan, Mazda RX-3 Hot Wheels. Yan, Compact Kings, 5 out of 10. Yan ang feature ng car. Bridgestone sa may harap ng sasakyan na yan guys, oh. Hindi nakalagay na Bridgestone. Ang ganda guys, oh. Pogi, ang pogi ng car na to guys, oh. The wheels are great. Ayan, Mazda RX-3. Ayan. At the back of the package, same. Ayan. Compact Kings. Ayan. Ayan guys. That's it. So yan ang nabili nating Hot Wheels guys. If you like this video guys, so leave a comment and like and subscribe guys. 191 subscribers na tayo. Please like, subscribe, 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 subscribe guys. See you guys next time. Bye. Abangan nyo guys sa pagbili ko ulit ng susunod ng Hot Wheels soon. Upload pa ako sa TIG channel. See you guys next time. Bye.